be heading out tonight?
A lot of folks heading out tonight. It'll be a bit on the chilly side, mainly dry going in. Hit or miss showers coming out of that overnight tonight.
I can't believe the rain is coming back.
I know, yeah, but if there's one good side to this, it's not a big time rain event. Many areas about a ½ an inch to an inch of rain when everything is said and done from tonight into the weekend. Our weather map, first up, we'll start in Cookeville. Cookeville now, you've got a reading of 47 degrees for us. So a nice little warm up is on the way for the Mid-South. Let's show you our storm watch map. Now this is for school closings. 2 closings, Decatur and Perry are going to be out for the rest of the week. Cheatham and Clay County schools are on a 2-hour delay. There's our weather kid, Johnson at McKnight. Johnson showing us temps in the 40s now and then right around 67 later today. Johnson is a student at the Cambridge Early Learning Center. So we'll check out radar now. The good news is it's dry this morning. You'll need the sunglasses. Even with clouds rolling in, you'll need those sunglasses for the beginning of the day. Now, as we head through the day, watch the clouds thicken up. More of a mix of sun and clouds later into the afternoon. There could be a couple of hit-miss showers in the afternoon back into West Tennessee and Western Kentucky. But for the rest of us, those showers arrive overnight. Scattered activity for the Mid-South tonight. As we head through the day on Thursday, cloud cover for everybody and then some hit or miss showers out there as we work through the day. Again, this isn't a big time event, so between tonight and into the weekend, the shower chances produce about a ½ an inch to an inch. Your 7-day forecast now, 68 today, 53 tomorrow. Heading into Friday, look for a temp right around 54. Through the remainder of the period, 49 on Saturday. Into Sunday, 38, rain, a passing snowflake here or there. And then as we head into Monday, 39, and on Tuesday, around 40. Our weather artist today, Isabella Conley from Burks Elementary School, Miss Carla's classroom. School of the day, Clinton Middle. Mrs. Danielle Hicks hit me up. She is the 6th grade writing teacher there. Clinton Middle, hello. Meanwhile, hello to the boys and girls over at Ruby Major Elementary in Hermitage. I was out there on Monday to kick off Read Me Week. This group here is Miss Gatlin's kindergarten classroom, and then the group coming up, those are the 4th graders there in Mrs. Delk's classroom over at Ruby Major Elementary in Hermitage. Make it a great day.